So it's the 7th of November, and the weather has improved marginally here in the UK, or at least here for today. Rain expected again tomorrow. It is absolutely sodden at the strip. Wellington boots are absolute must. And I've just got a few aeroplanes to have a fly with. I haven't flown for a while, so yeah, it's just be a bit of fun. Cool. So we've got the old FlyAngle here. We've altered the servos, so hopefully we'll have a bit more authority to go up and down on the elevons. So test flight now, because obviously it's altered to CG just a little tiny bit. So we'll just see how we go. Okay. Seems like we are okay-ish. Probably could do with maybe, let's just see what it does glide wise. Just a tiny bit of battery change. Yeah, that's a bit better. I can push that way now, so I probably don't need quite as much reflex as I've got set. Yeah, let's just sort that out. Whoop. Thanks. So let's try that. It was a little bit too much to try and do airborne. It's a bit of a bugger to keep control of. It's a bit skittish. It is a bit muddy now too. Ah yeah, that's a bit better. Yeah, a little bit more. I think, you know what, I think it could still do, oh I don't know though, I was going to say with a bit more elevator. Might just move that battery a teeny weeny bit more this way. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, that's better. It's just crucial that the CG is exactly right with this. It's a little bit windy actually for it, to be fair. Woo! Whoop. Ooh. I know that receiver's come off again, but this time it should just be the Velcro, hopefully. Yeah, looks like it. That's good. That gives me a chance to give it a bit of... It's very wet, readers. It is absolutely sodden, which obviously doesn't do little foamy aeroplanes a great deal of good, but luckily this one's taped. Yeah. Brought off. Yeah, it's a little bit of wind there. So it's better. It's probably that way. Let's try that. Oh, it's still a bit skittish though, isn't it? I need to change those rates a little bit. Might be low rates, might not. Woohoo! Yeah, I think success. In as much as it's, you know, just a little bit of fun. It gives a tiny little battery. 270 milliamps, something like that. Yeah, that wind's pretty powerful. Back over here. Don't fly over the blooming pits. Right? Right? Yeah, that's right. Don't. So yeah, really just changing servos so that the arms are at the back, not at the front, which meant I got longer control, or more control authority, and down elevon. So that sounds like a good plan. I just brought one battery to test it out, and I also fixed the cockpit canopy such that it won't rip off now when it has a bit of a hard landing and the receiver gets thrown off. It's taped pretty effectively. Yeah, so it's a nice little model out of RCME, FlyAngle, and I think there we have it. It's about factory dead, I think. Yeehaw! Boy, it is wet.